Today we are going to know about how to connect internet on Hyper-V and fix the error which is related to connect the internet on Hyper-V. Before start the main video, I already make a playlist on Hyper-V with details. Please check it out. You will get the link on the description. Okay, first you have to go to the Hyper-V machine and then you go to the virtual switch manager. Keep it external and click on create virtual switch and change the name so that I can understand the external virtual switch. Select the Realtalk PCE GBE and click the apply and then OK. After that, you have to go to the virtual computer setting where you will see network adapter and select it. And select the network adapter that you created few minutes ago and apply and then OK. And start your virtual computer. One more important thing, if you find any kind of problem regarding this issue, showing these types of error messages, then follow those steps that you can remove your problem from your hypervisor. First of all, you have to uninstall the GNS3, Wireshark and npcap and go to the Windows PowerShell and run this command. Your problem automatically removed from your hypervisor. I hope you are understand my tutorial video. If you have any kind of problem, please comment below. I will give the solution of that particular sectors. This YouTube channel and where you will get more authentic wisdom about networking, CompTIA and also the troubleshooting. Thanks for watching. I hope you learn a lot.